Hello students and friends, you are welcome in depressing classes. The question of Gauss divergence theorem is statement evaluate double integration f dot n ds over the entire surface of the region above xy plane bounded by the cone and plane z equals to 4 if f equals to 4xzi plus xyz square j plus 3zk. Gauss divergence theorem. Gauss divergence theorem. Double integration f dot n ds equals to volume divergence f dv. First we find out divergence f. Del divergence f 4xzi plus x y square x y z square j plus 3zk equals to del upon del x f1. f1 means value of f1 4xz del upon del y xyz square del upon del z 3z f3 3z equals to 4z plus xz square plus 3. That is the value of divergence f. Divergence theorem f dot n ds equals to volume del dot f 4z plus xz square plus 3 into dv means dx dy dz. Cone z square equals to x square plus y square. Putting y equals to 0, then x square equals to z square or x equals to plus minus z. That is the limit of x plus minus z to plus z, and y square equals to z square minus x square or y equals to plus minus root z square minus x square. That is the limit of y, and limit of z limits of z lies between z equals to 0 to 4 above xy plane. Double integration f dot n ds equals to z equals to 0 to 4 limit of x minus z to plus z, x equals to minus z to plus z, and limit of y minus root z square minus x square to z square minus x square. Divergence f 4z xz square plus 3 dx dy dz. First of all, we integrate with respect to y, that is even function, constant value to z equals to 0 to 4, x equals to minus z to plus z, y equals to 0 to root z square minus x square 4z plus xz square plus 3 dy dx dz 2 z equals to 0 to 4 x equals to minus z to plus z 4z xz square plus 3 dy y 0 to root z square minus x square dx dy dx dz surface f dot n ds equals to 2 limits z equals 0 to 4 limits y equals x equals to minus z to plus z and xz square 4z plus xz square plus 3 into root z square minus x square dx dz 2 limit z equals 0 to 4 x equals to minus z to plus z 4z plus 3 plus xz square z square minus x square plus xz square separating we may write as dx dz plus x equals to minus z to plus z xz square root z square minus x square dx 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 dz that is a even function 4x that is a odd function 4x because limit of x goes to minus z to plus z replacing x by minus x the function changed this function changed that is odd function. And in this function, in this integral with respect to x, the function 4z plus 3 into root z square minus x square is even, that is even function. Replacing x by minus x, the function remain unchanged, it is not changed. The first is even function, second is odd function whose value is 0. To limit z equals 0 to 4 x equals to 0 to z to 4z plus 3 root z square minus x square dx dz plus 0 2 2 is 4 z equals 0 to 4 4z plus 3 into x by 2 root z square minus x square plus z square upon 2 sin inverse x upon z limit 0 to z and dz 4 limits integration limit goes z equals 0 to 4 4z plus 3 into 0 z square upon 2 sin inverse 1 4 z equals 0 to 4 4z plus 3 z square upon 2 into pi by 2 4 into pi by 4 z equals 0 to 4 4z cube 3z square dz pi z4 z cube limit 0 to 4 pi 4 to the power 4 plus 4 to the power 3 pi 256 64 320 pi. The surface f dot and ds equals to 320 pi. That is the solution of this question.